All right, for this experiment, we're going to do crystal letters. We're going to make crystals. So you're going to need bag number 5, and inside you'll find a pipe cleaner, a piece of string, some borax, a popsicle stick, and a cup. So your first step is you're going to take your pipe cleaner. Yours might not be black, it might be a different color. And you guys are going to bend it into the letter of your first name, the first letter of your first name. So if your name is Hayes, you would make an H. If your name is Noah, you would make an N. If your name is Gabriel, you would make a G, or like that, all right? Miss Cummings, my name Cummings starts with C, so I'm going to make a C. And this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to bend it, and then I'm going to twist it a little bit. So it's a little bit smaller. You can also use scissors and cut it if you want. And then I'm going to bend it again because it's still too big. We want it to fit inside of your cups. Okay. So now I'm going to bend it into the letter, oops, C. Okay. Now I'm going to take my blue string, if I can find it, and I'm going to tie one end to my pipe cleaner. You might need some help with this, and that's okay to ask for help. Okay. And I'm going to tie the other end to my popsicle stick. And you're going to kind of have to measure, put it in your empty cup, and see where you're going to have to tie it without it touching the bottom of your cup. Okay, so mine will be about right there. And you're going to tie it up here again. There we go. So that I can put it in just like that. And I'm going to balance the popsicle stick on top, just like that. I'll show you from what it looks like at the top. So that's what it should look like when you look down from the top. All right, so go ahead and take that out because we have to make a solution in here. And a solution is when you take two things, you mix them together to make one thing. Okay, so we're going to pour about a half a cup of water, very warm water, and then we're going to pour in the borax as well. All right, so I've got my very warm water. I'm going to pour in my borax, dump it all in there, and then I'm going to stir it up so that it mixes all the way. So go ahead and stir it. If you want, you guys can get creative and add some food coloring, and it'll give you a different color crystal. So if you add in red, you'll probably get a reddish pink crystal. If you add in purple, you would get a purple crystal, just like that, okay? I'm not going to put any in. That's okay. It'll still come out white, okay? So then I'm going to take my letter C. I'm going to drop it right into the solution. I'm going to make sure the whole thing is in there. Okay, balance that, and I'm going to put it in a safe spot in my house so nobody touches it. And I'm going to wait for a couple days, and then I'm going to come back and check it by lifting it out very carefully and seeing what happens to the pipe cleaner. Now I want to see, can you guys send me some pictures? I want to see what your crystals come out to be. All right, have fun.